Welcome back to Papé Toolkit. Today we're gonna go over the Outlander package. Let's get after it. The Outlander package is gonna fit the bill for a lot of different customers. And I'll tell you, it's got a nice little inclusion of a couple of different implements that will make it really nice to get some specific projects done on your property. So, we're gonna start off with the base tractor. The base tractor is a 2025R. 2025R is an R-spec tractor, so you're gonna see some of those awesome features like, you know, cut and sew seats, vinyl, marine grade vinyl seats with armrests. Additionally, you're gonna get LED lighting, some of that tilt steering wheel that we know and we've come to love. Some of those other awesome features like a 120R loader that is removable, that has a single point hydraulic connector on this particular unit. Additionally, I can take that bucket off. We've got a 53-inch bucket up there. Again, nice, powerful 25 horsepower tractor, staying below the emission standard, so I'm not getting a lot of extra emission stuff on that tractor. It's just a Yanmar diesel engine with 25 horsepower right out of the gate. Again, you're gonna have that baseline tractor, but you're gonna see it is factory equipped in the Outlander package with the 260B backhoe. This 260B backhoe is a little workhorse. I will tell you, if I was trenching on my property, if I was laying in irrigation, this 260B backhoe is what I would choose. Again, it's not necessarily everything that you get in a mini excavator, right? These are designed to fit a price point. Mini excavators can be relatively expensive, whereas this, behind a tractor, yes, it's an expensive implement, but it's absolutely affordable if you've got time on your hands. I always tell customers, you can do most anything with a smaller tractor or smaller implement that you can do with a bigger implement. It's just gonna take you a little bit more time. So that 260B backhoe fits that bill very, very nicely. Well designed, easy to get in and out of, great step ups, a great little unit all the way around. You can outfit this with accessories, like if I wanted to add a mechanical or hydraulic thumb to it, those type of things can be outfitted to it. But in this Outlander package, you're gonna also get that BB5060 Frontier Box Blade. Box blades, phenomenal product. Generally, you're seeing on a 2025R 4-foot implements, this thing has the power to handle this 60-inch box blade on the back of it. So 60-inch box blade if I'm doing gravel driveways, or if I just uprooted a tree and I wanted to level out the land that I just dug up, a great absolute addition is that BB5060 box blade, where I can just go through, scarify the land. I've got a front blade, a back blade. It's gonna keep all that material boxed in, so it does a nice job of leveling the land. Stay tuned for more of these packages on our YouTube channel. Additionally, if you like this kind of content, please comment down below. If you'd like to see some specific tractor packages added to our website, hey, throw that information in there. You're part of the Papé community. We want to take care of you. So chime in, let us know what you want to see. Like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again in another episode of Papé Toolkit. Hi, my name is Jason Hughes. I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. I'm also a large property owner and own a lot of the equipment that you see featured in these videos. I hope you find this content helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below.